If you've ever wanted a faster, more secure way to access and control your Hostgator server, SH is the tool to know. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect to your server with SSH on Hostgator, step by step, so you can manage your files and commands like a pro. First, open your browser and go to the Hostgator website. At the top right, click Sign In, then enter your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land in your main dashboard. From the dashboard, return to the core account area by clicking Home if you're not already there. Look for the website section and open it. This is where all your hosting configurations live. Next, click Settings. A panel will open with more detailed options. From here, scroll and look for the Advanced section. This is where Hostgator keeps the deeper configuration tools. Inside Advanced, you'll find an option labeled SSH Keys. SSH, or Secure Shell, is what lets you remotely access your server through encrypted commands. It keeps your connection protected from anyone trying to snoop in. Click SSH Keys, then hit the Manage button. This page is where you'll create, upload, or update your keys, the secure credentials that let you connect from your computer to your server. Take a moment to look around this area so you know where to return if you ever need to change or add a key. Once your SSH key is set up, you can use terminal apps like Terminal on Mac or Putty on Windows to connect using your server's IP and username. And that's the full process, from logging in to locating and managing your SSH access through Hostgator's dashboard. SSH isn't just about connecting, it's about connecting securely. Keep your keys private, update them when needed, and you'll have full, safe control over your server. If this helped you, stick around for more quick hosting and server management tutorials. See you in the next one.